Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, make sure you turn off the water supply to the washer. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the drain pump in a Whirlpool washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a 5/16" nut driver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new drain pump. The drain pump is located at the bottom of the washer. It drains water out of the washer on command from the main control board. If there's water inside of the washer and it won't advance, check the drain pump and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to put the washer on its front. I'm going to place the box here to support it. Probably move it a little closer. And I'm going to tilt it forward carefully. That washer is quite heavy. Also make sure it's not going anywhere. Next, I'm going to take out this insulation pad. You can bend it. And pull out. Let's place the towel in, just in case if we'll have some water dropping from the hose. Technically, it's not supposed to because the water collects at the bottom. So this is our drain pump that we're going to remove and replace. And I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to pry these two wires from the terminals. Next, I'm going to use the pliers. I'm going to move these two clamps. I'm going to pull off the hose. Next, I'm going to use the 5/16 nut driver and take out the 3 mounting screws. And now we can remove the pump and take it out of the hose. I'm going to use towel here, and it's dripping slightly. And now we need to remove this plastic clip. I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver. Pop it off. This is the old drain pump next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so we can install the new pump. I'm going to start with putting it into this hose. This cutout has to be around this pin here. Alright, next I'm going to mount the pump. We have 3 5/16 screws that goes in. I'm using the 5/16 nut driver. Now I'm going to install this clip into the opening in the pump base. Now I'm going to install the hose. That's a top to pump hose. I'm going to use pliers to install the clamps. And now I'm going to install the top one. Make sure it's not crooked. Next, I'm going to install the wires on the terminals on the pump. We got 2 of them and 2 terminals, and the order is not important. And now I'm going to take the towel away. Now we can install the installation pad. I'm going to bend it and put the bottom in. And then the top. And now when we're done, we can put the washer upright. Turn on the water, plug the washer in and run it to check if it works properly and there's no leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.